you ever wonder why some people have hashtags on the top of their LinkedIn profile? Hey, this is Brenda Meller with Meller Marketing, and in today's LinkedIn strategy tip, I'd like to talk a little bit about creator mode that has been recently available to LinkedIn member profiles. I'm going to start by navigating to my profile right now, and I'm going to go to my profile. You'll see that at the top of my profile, underneath my name field in my headline, it says talks about, I'm going to highlight this on screen, talks about LinkedIn tips, social selling, social media pie, LinkedIn strategy, and LinkedIn rockstars. And you might be wondering, why do they have that on their profile? Why don't I have it, right? So here's what happens. LinkedIn has set up a new feature. It's called creator mode. If you enable creator mode on your profile, you have access to a couple of additional features. The primary reason I like creator mode is it changes your default button from connect to follow. So people that are not yet connected with you who visit your profile are now going to see that follow is the default action. So you're going to grow followers more quickly, and follow is a one-way action. Whereas a connection, someone has to issue an invitation to connect and the other person has to accept it. It might be a little time consuming and you may not always get that accepted. Follow by comparison will be a one-way action. So if I click follow on your profile, I am automatically following your updates. I can see you in my homepage feed, etc. So creator mode, the primary reason I like that is to enable follow. And when you set up creator mode, you click on the creator mode button there and you'll turn it to on. As soon as you do so, LinkedIn will say, hey, you can add up to 5 hashtags to the top of your profile, and you can select any 5. Now let's say I didn't want to put LinkedIn Rockstars, but I wanted to do something else instead. Let's say LinkedIn Training, for example. You can put any hashtag you want. Just remember it needs to be all one word. Doesn't matter if it's uppercase or lowercase because it's going to force it to lowercase. And then just click on that in the drop down and then click on done. You're also going to notice in here that you get access to a few additional tools when you turn creator mode on. LinkedIn Live, it will say on my profile, is now available. Newsletters is now available. And there's a little bit of reshifting of things on your profile to give you greater visibility for being a creator. Hopefully that tip was helpful for you. This is Brenda Meller with Meller Marketing. I'd love it if you could click on subscribe to my YouTube channel so you get more LinkedIn strategy tips like these. And please share this video along with someone who might be interested in those hashtags at the top of their profile. Thank you and have a great day.